Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable 4G or LTE only on any Android phone. So first, you will download an app from Play Store which is Force LTE. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you see I've already downloaded it, so I will just click open, then skip all this, then click accept and get started. My phone is Android version 11, so I will choose method 2. Then I will click on WCDMA only. Then I will click on it and select LTE only. Then select LTE only. You see, my network is now 4G. Yeah, that's it. So thank you. Please do help and subscribe to my channel.